Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. AutoCAD Civil 3D complete course lecture number 3, how to draw point manually. In last lecture we import point file from external source and but it cannot be always. We have here in AutoCAD Civil 3D lot of options to create point. This is point option, and if you click here then you can see the dialog box create point tool. Here a lot of options are visible to creation points, and if you open this small icon then you can see the list how many types points we can convert. AutoCAD option also there, block points also we can convert, but today we are going to discuss draw manual point. This is on the top. This is the option how we can create manual point. So before creating any point we have to prepare some setting in creation tool. This is on the top. This is second option, this creation tool. So this expand this one, and we have small changing only. This elevation actually we are going to manual, so keep as it, and point number this should be on the automatic, then we should not be repeat every time. And finally description I am keeping here automatic because I don't want to repeat every time, but which one should be default I am writing here GL. So AutoCAD Civil 3D always will take from this default description GL for every point. So it is very simple. Wherever you click, automatically AutoCAD Civil 3D create point, go to manual and click on the screen. So this will be point, but level always it will be asked because we kept option manually. So I am writing here 100. So this is my first point, and for the next wherever I am clicking on the screen, so automatically XY automatically it will taken from the screen, and manually level option. So I am giving elevation. So these points are going to create. And if you have easting and northing, so simply we can write easting comma northing, point will be create, and manual option for the levels we have to provide. So it is a simple option. Click on the manual, and wherever you will click, point will be established, and manual level. So you have to provide manual level. If you want to same level repeat on each point, then you can keep in creation level automatic, then automatically it will be picked what level you will provide in the setting. This is just repeating for this dialog box. This is point creation tool, and if you click here then we can see this dialog box, and from here we can keep our level automatic, point number automatic, and description automatic. Levels depend on your job, that if building area or somewhere, then you can keep same level in automatic, and something you can write in the default level. But if in road area, always the road area levels are varies, you can use point levels manually. So this is very simple and easy step. Click here on manual, and you can wherever you will click, point will be established, and if level option depend on you manually, then you have to provide. If automatically, then automatically it will be picked. So in other option, so easting comma northing, point again it will be created by the easting and northing, and then the level option it will remain same as it manual or automatic. On the display you are looking lot of point style, northing, easting, only elevation, only description and elevation point and description. Originally AutoCAD Civil 3D have very limited option for the display, but we can create our own style according to our requirement for the display. So next lecture we will discuss how to create point style according to our own requirement.